What's up guys, it's RZ here, and today we're going to be doing some more math. Oh yeah. And today we're going to be looking at some really simple derivatives. I'm hoping I spelled that right. Derivatives. Der yeah, I spelled it. All right, we're not counting that. All right, derivatives. Alright, so anyways, derivatives. We're going to be looking at three super simple rules. Now, I'm assuming you all are in calculus. Hopefully, if you're not in calculus, you will not understand any of this. So, yeah. First off, you might see it as d over dx. So, yeah, this is the forms. Or, or like, it could be formed in a problem like differentiate. And see if I got good spelling here. Yeah. So it could be like, do that, and then it'll give you like, I don't know, some equation like 5x squared. You gotta differentiate that. Or it could be like differentiate 5x squared, stuff like that. Or find the derivative of 5x squared. Stuff like that. So that's what you need to know when you're finding the derivative. Now, our first rule comes in here. I got a little cheat sheet here um, of a constant. Now, you may be asking, what is C? What is C? Well, C is literally any number. 7, 9, 845,000, 72, whatever number you want. Just as long as it's not an X, a Y, basically any variable. Even pi is a constant. The pi, the good old 3.14, I don't know the rest. All that, even that is considered a constant. So, our first rule, draw it out again, because I did something stupid. Alright, constant. See, it's constant. Well, if there's any number without a variable in it, it just equals 0. Just straight up equals 0. Makes your life super easy, super happy. Yeah, now we're all happy. Yay! Alright, and then we have our new rule, which is also extremely simple. You have your constant, C, and then a variable. Now you'd be asking, what does the variable do? Literally, whatever your constant is, it's just going to stay the same. So, if you have if you want to find the derivative of 5x, it's going to be 5. If you want to find, it's really gets boring type drawing the derivative thing. If you want to find the derivative of 7x, it's going to be 7. Heck, even if you want to find the derivative, I'm not going to do the little d over dx. If you want to find the derivative of 9,000 x, it's still being 9,000. Because, yeah, well, it'll make more sense if you're still not getting it in this next rule, which will be our last rule. I really want to make this video quick, kind of. Our last one is if you have an exponent over the x. Now, don't worry, it's not hard. It's pretty simple. So, basically, this looks a little complicated. This is what it equals. It equals n times x to the n minus 1. Now, what does that mean? So you got we'll do it in variables still. So basically, all you have to do is move the n down here, and then just subtract 1. That's it. And then your new equation is nx n minus 1. That's really it. So I'll do some examples of this one. So we'll do 5x squared because I like 5. So basically, what you want to do, carry the 2 down to here, right? And then it turns into 2. Oh, and you gotta have that minus 1. So you gotta have 2 times 5. And then you have 2 minus 1 in the denominator. So it's really just 1 or just x. And then your final answer will be 10x. This works for all exponents. So say we have x cubed. What you do, drop the cube down in there, or the 3, and then subtract 1, and you get 3x squared. That's really it. So our second rule, when we say a constant in x, it's really because x is to the first power, and you subtract 1, and you multiply by 1. Well, 1 doesn't change the constant at all, and this cancels out This makes it x to the 0, which equals 0. So that's why that rule works out to just be c, or whatever the constant was. Um, so yeah, we'll do something a little bit more. Um, what I always do 5x. We'll do something a little bit more complicated here, even though it's not really complicated. It's all really easy stuff. So just drop the 2 over, minus 1. Once you get good at this, you don't have to drop the 2 over. You just kind of know. Like, when I do these now, I just kind of do it, like, super fast, because I know what I'm doing. You may not know right away. X squared will be just 2x, because, heck, even x to the 540,982, well, that's going to turn into 540,981x to the 540,900. Oh, wait, never mind. Wow, I screwed this up. This is still a 2. So it's 540,982 to the power of x times x. Oh, jeez. We're starting this over. 540,982x to the power of 540,981. Because you guys subtract 1. So that is pretty much it for these, wait. That's pretty much it for these basic derivative rules. If you guys want me to go more in depth, like the multiplication rule and the division rule and even square roots, I will do that in a future video just to help you guys out with your little calculus. Yeah. So, as I'm writing this out, thanks for watching, man. And I hope you all enjoyed. And, here's a little face for you. Wait, no, wait. We're gonna make her look a little derpy. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at Bub. His name is Bub. Hello, Bub. Derp, derp, derp. Yeah. So, I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.